let's talk about in this tutorial, let's talk about the movement or the stepping on the Wing Chun Poshan Dragon style martial art. So let's start from the position first of the feet. So from my first tutorial to you, then position of feet. Okay, so you see that is now what we will do is to extend the Wing Chun position and then let's change the face my foot, and let's say I will go in this direction. So show my footing. You will change your foot and extend this one, turn this feet, then extend this one like this one, extend this one like this. The weight of your body should be here. The weight of your body should be here, not in this one. Okay? So the idea is when you move quickly, you can quickly move forward. Okay? Because your weight here, push yourself towards the front. So all your weight should be here. Then it should be slightly, only slightly weight of your body should be very little amount of weight. Okay? So the position should be like this one. You can change if you like. You can also this or this. Depends upon you. Okay? So when you move, first step this foot first, this one, then slide or glide like that. Okay, so let's repeat it again. From there, from this position, step this one and glide. Okay? Did you get it? And again, step this one and glide. Okay? So when we change direction from here, how can we change direction? Just go on the parallel side first, this one, then turn this foot in the opposite direction. Then this foot should now be the straight, or this leg should be straight, and this one should bury the weight. This should bury the weight, and now this should have a little weight in your body. So the same explanation on the other side. When you move in the front, when you move front forward, you can quickly move forward, not like that, or what? You can quickly move like that. So if you don't know how to transfer your weight from one leg to another, you will have a problem in your quickness. Okay, you should have very quick in your attack. So when you move forward, it's not only with your hands but also with your body. From the lower body, from the upper body, should all connect with your movement. Not only with your hand, not when you kick, only with the kick. Should all your body will connect, synchronize with all your movement. Okay? That. All your body from the lower body to upper body should be synchronized. When you move, should be synchronized. That. Let's make it slow. When you move, okay, see my movement? See the change of pace? So when you move like this, change. Okay? Okay. Now, that is very important to practice, because movement is very important. You're fighting not only standing, but you're moving, right? You're moving. You're not just standing and fight. You're not just standing. You're moving around. Okay? So, first, very important to exercise the movement first before you go around the street and fight anybody there. Killing somebody, then don't kill anybody, you will be in jail. So, movement is very important. So practice every day, and hope to see you in our next tutorial.